Hi everyone and welcome! Today we have a beginner-friendly ab workout that is perfect for those who are just starting out, want to tone up and get stronger abs. We have 10 exercises divided into 2 sets that we are going to repeat twice. Each exercise is 30 seconds long and we'll have a 10-second rest after each set. Let's do this! Stand up at the edge of your mat. We'll start with Inchworm. Keep the legs hip-width apart and you can bend your knees slightly to make it a bit easier. Slowly lower down and use your palms to get into a plank position. Walk with your hands back all the way up. Go as slow or as fast as you can without compromising your form. Remain on the mat in a tabletop position and let's continue with bird dog. Put your knees under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. Keep your lower back neutral and engage your abs. Extend your right leg and reach out with the opposite arm. Return and repeat on the other side. If you find this one too easy, you can also add a crunch by bringing your knee and elbow together before returning to starting position. You're doing great! Lay down on the mat, face up, and let's do some toe taps. This looks like an easy one, but if you go slow and you tense your core, you're going to feel it. Remember to keep your lower back flat on the mat. Great work! Next up we have heel touches. Slightly lift your chest and make sure not to use your neck to lift up. Crunch to the sides as you try to touch your heels. Focus on your core and how you're engaging those muscles. The wind is fighting against us, but we are not stopping. Keep going. And our last exercise before our first 10-second rest. Let's do sitting Russian twists. You can easily take it up a notch if you want by keeping your legs up. Totally up to you and your current level. In my case, if I did that, probably the wind would have taken my mat, so I decided to go easy this time. Take a quick 10-second rest and get ready to repeat these exercises one more time. Get back up and let's do the inchworm exercise one more time. Go slow and controlled and keep your abs tight. Stay on the mat and continue with bird dog. Keep your spine neutral and your core engaged.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost.
Keep going, you're awesome. Lay down on the mat, face up, and let's do toe taps. Make sure you're not arching your back. 2 more exercises and we have our second rest.
Ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
Continue with heel touches. I suggest you keep your feet as close or as far as you find it comfortable. It's okay if you cannot touch the heels. In time, you're going to build up your mobility too.
Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't.
Last one for this set. 30 seconds, Russian twists. Again, to make it more challenging, you can keep your legs up, slowly twist to one side and the other.
Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream.
And 10-second rest. Drink some water if you need, or pause this video if you need a little bit more rest. Come back when you're ready. Stay on the mat face up and we'll do the dead bug. A pretty unfortunate name, but this exercise is basically a reverse bird dog. Back remains flat on the mat, extend one arm and the opposite leg. Always keep your focus on your core.
We're all in this, I stand alone.
Keep going, we are beyond halfway through, so not much left. Let's do some reverse crunches. Engage your abs as you lift your hips up and lower back down in a controlled manner. I highly suggest you avoid using momentum when lifting up, as it takes away from the efficiency of this exercise.
The ending goes honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Don't stop. For this one, you can place your hands under your glutes. This will help you avoid arching your lower back until you strengthen your core muscles. Extend your legs and then bring your knees in. You can also do a small crunch to engage your upper abs as well. You got this. Next to last exercise of this set is kneeling side plank dips. Depending on your level, you can go into a full side plank. It's totally up to you. Slowly lower your hips and then bring them up. Keep your elbow under your shoulder and form a straight line from head to knees.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth.
One more, you got this. Go into a knee plank and hold it for 30 seconds. Don't forget to breathe. If you feel lucky today, then you can go into a full plank. I know you can do this.
Great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together.
Our last 10-second rest for today's workout. You got so far. I'm proud of you. We're going to repeat the last set one more time, so get ready for dead bug. Engage your core as you do this exercise.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Moving on to reverse crunches. Keep palms on the side and lift your hips up. You can keep your legs straight if you want to make it a bit more difficult. Don't stop now, just 3 more exercises left.
My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bone.
Continue with knee tucks. Do a small crunch and slowly extend your legs and then bring the knees in. Keep breathing. Exhale when you extend your legs and then inhale as you bring the knees back in.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong.
Let's do side plank dips, but this time on the other side. Go slow and controlled. You got this. last one, plank hold. Abs tight and push your palms into the mat. Careful not to lift your butt. You can do this. And that's all. You did this. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this workout, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what type of workouts you'd like to see next on my channel. Keep coming back to this workout and you'll build a stronger core in no time.